Coming up in this video, I will tell you the steps you need to do so you can enjoy gaming on Stadia. Make sure you check out the playlist I have created of all the Stadia content I have on my channel. From how-to videos to tips and tricks videos, all that is included in it. Before you do anything, first you need to make sure that your internet is fast enough for Stadia, so follow the link in the description to do so. Google recommends at least 10 megabytes for 720 60 frames per second, 20 megabytes for 1080 60 frames per second, and at least 30 and above for 4K 60 frames per second gameplay. Make sure you're in one of the countries that Stadia is being offered in. With a quick search on the internet you can find that information out. There's also a link in the description that will help you with that. Signing up for Stadia is free. You just need a Gmail account. Using a browser, navigate to stadia.com to sign up, link in the description. Download the Stadia app from the App Store. The app will allow you to change your profile settings, add friends, browse a storefront, and of course play games. Once you have signed up, make sure you claim your free pro games. This will allow you to play right away without spending a dime for the first month, because when you sign up, you get to try it out for a month for free. Follow the link in the description to find out how you can get more months for free.